Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the RSIOMA indicator for MT4 and MT5. This hybrid tool combines the relative strength index with moving average concepts to create a smoothed momentum oscillator that identifies trend strengths and potential reversals. In this video you will see how the indicator is constructed, how its lines are interpreted, and which trading signals are generated. The RSIOMA, which stands for Relative Strength Index of Moving Average, is a hybrid technical analysis tool that calculates RSI not directly from price but from a moving average of price. The indicator typically consists of two lines: the RSI-OMA line representing core momentum, which is calculated from a moving average, and a signal line, which is a smoothed or moving average version of the RSI-OMA line, acting as confirmation. This approach filters out erratic price action and provides a clearer picture of the market's underlying strength or weakness compared to using RSI on raw price alone. On the chart, the RSI-OMA indicator is displayed in a separate window as two lines oscillating between 0 and 100, similar to traditional RSI. The RSI-OMA line moving above the signal line typically signals bullish momentum, while the RSI line moving below the signal line suggests bearish momentum. Some versions include an auxiliary histogram shown for quick glance view of the current trend, with color changes indicating trend direction and potential reversals. You can see the histogram below. The indicator uses customizable parameters, including the price levels used to calculate moving averages for the RSI calculation, the period of the moving average of the RSI, and the mode of that moving average. Threshold levels are typically set with 70 and 30 used to signify overbought and oversold conditions. Though traders often customize this based on their trading strategy, with some using extreme zones above 80 or below 20. Alert options are also available, including pop-up alerts, email notifications, and sound notifications, push notifications to mobile phones. Also, when key levels are crossed or lines cross each other. The RSI-OMA indicator is aimed at traders who want to identify potential shifts in market trend using a smoothed, filtered version of RSI that reduces false signals from choppy price action. Buy signals occur when the RSI-OMA line crosses above the signal line, and both are moving upward, especially emerging from below 50, such as this. While sell signals occur when the RSI-OMA indicator line crosses below the signal line, trending downwards. However, like all indicators, RSI-OMA indicator is most effective when combined with other tools such as moving averages, MACD, Bollinger Bands, or support and resistance levels, rather than being used in isolation. You can download the RSI-OMA indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how applying RSI to a moving average instead of raw price can provide clearer momentum signals and trend identification. If you like smoothed momentum oscillators with dual line systems like this one, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator tutorials.